Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
My question is regarding the divorces that are happening of late. Could you just throw some light on what are the major causes of divorce? And I suppose that communication also is one of the important things in marriage. So could you just tell us how can a husband and a wife improve upon their relationship on the basis of good communication?
This is asked a question that there are many cases of divorce, and I do agree with her. So what is the main reason for divorce and how can we prevent it? Sister, that is the reason we're having this full workshop. One of the reasons for the workshop is to choose a life partner. And secondly is that how do you see to it that you are able to do the duty of a good wife? One of the major reasons, sister, is because of incompatibility. That one of the major reasons for divorce to take place is that normally people don't really bother to select the right life partner and the right spouse. So in this case, they marry anyone, maybe the father has forced them or the mother has forced them, or without really inquiring into the details, they marry and then they realize they are not compatible. Maybe that the husband and wife, both of them are good, but they may not be compatible, yet the marriage doesn't work. Or maybe one of them is not right, on the right track, one may be Islamic, the other may not be Islamic. So because of this, it is one of the major reasons, because of incompatibility between the spouses, that divorce takes place. And many a times divorce doesn't take place also. But they carry on with their life that fine, now I'm married and this is my taqdeer, this is my destiny, and they continue with the life. And many of the marriages, though divorce doesn't take place, but they are not having a very successful married life. And they continue with it because as though it is the destiny. So sister, one of the major reasons is because of not proper selection of the spouse. The people don't take proper care and trouble and striving for selection of the right life partner. This is one of the major reasons. The other reason is because of misunderstanding. It can be ghibat. Various reasons are there, sister. A talk can be given only on this, that how divorce can be prevented, sister. Hope the answer is in brief.